everyone, Brian here with DIY Outdoor Life. Today we are getting ready to head to Hot Springs, North Carolina for the first ever Southeast Bushwhacker gathering. I'm super excited. We're leaving, I think we're a week early, but it takes us a while to travel. So we're going to do a bunch of nights on the road getting there, but I figured I'd show you setting up today. I'm pretty excited. So some mods on the front of the trailer. I will show you guys that in a future video, but this is a much better storage solution for us. Come on over here. This is how we are packing up the Bushwhacker for travel. I do have my awning and a couple things in here. These are easy to slide out. They can actually slide underneath the camper for a quick overnight stay when we're using this. My little pro tip is take an old sheet and just throw it over top of your bedding so that if you do have like some dust or dirt on some of your bins or something, we're good. There's a bunch of modifications I haven't showed you guys yet. So if you're keen, you'll see some of them besides the tongue box. But we have the back of the trailer loaded up. A nice little countertop here. Sink cover. Now everything that we get, and sometimes it's a mix between Amazon and like yard sales, but you're really looking for some storage solution. We're pretty cheap. I see some people on the Facebook group have some really custom stuff that's nice for storing back here. We have different bins and stuff that just allow the doors to close. I have my toiletries here, a lot of good storage under here. And we have the camper plugged in and the fridge pre-chilling. We want all this food down nice and cold when we hit the road. So we're going to be on the road from anywhere from like 12 days to 2 weeks. We don't really know yet. So we've packed kind of everything, and we're getting really good about camper Tetris or truck Tetris as far as fitting this stuff in. But again, one of my favorite mods has to be the truck cap because it's like a waterproof shed. Now we are going to be running our air conditioning. This is my last chance to wear sweatpants. It's gonna be hot. I don't know why in this heat we're going south, probably to see the other Bushwhackers. But we have a full off-grid air conditioning system. You'll probably see that in some of the videos down there. So I have like 7,000 watt hours of power in the back of this truck, large lithium batteries, power stations, and a whole bunch of portable solar to be able to run the air conditioning off-grid. We didn't get one of the hookup sites. So that takes up a good portion of the truck. But we have our drinking water. I drop a big chunk of ice in here for the road. These are for Ripple. She gets her drinking water. You guys know I have this deck system, and it allows me to kind of pack the tools that we're going to take on the trip. You know, some quick repair stuff, you know, a tester, things that you might need on the road. And I will show you this in a future video. This is our whole cooking set. I have the whole back section of this filled with portable solar. A lot of our storage, and Lucy is shaking her head, goes to the renewables. How to get a massively fast charge and use a whole ton of power while you're camping. So we got our chairs and a couple bags, everything jammed in here, but we are almost ready to go. I'm pretty excited. I'm going to be coupling the camper here in a second. I have my Patagonia Black Hole. I talked about this duffel bag in a couple other videos, but this thing is like the greatest teardrop camping invention. It's very water resistant if you leave it out in the dew or a rain. You can fit an unbelievable amount of stuff in here. It converts into a book bag, and I'm not a real good packer, so something like this is just a gem for me. And the other tip I have for you, I have these Doer jeans. You about have to take out a mortgage to be able to afford these things, but they are like a stretchy jean fabric. You can actually put them on inside a Teardrop camper. They're cool. They're really super comfortable. You can wear them out to dinner, but you can also wear them on a bike ride or a hike because of how athletic and stretchy they are. So it's like a multi-purpose when you're packing like this for these longer trips. Everything has to be multi-purpose. And this is my favorite pair of pants by far. Hopefully I have them for the next 10 years and then they will be worth the price. Now, when we decided to get a tow vehicle, we were looking for a tow vehicle, not just a daily driver. This is a large part of what we do, going out and traveling. So the whole setup on this Tacoma was really revolving around these larger trips and towing the Bushwhacker. The back seat was all about Ripple. We knew that she needed quite a bit of space. I'm hoping to sneak a cooler in here, but yeah, she's got a pretty luxurious riding situation back here. And she's also chomping at the bit, getting ready to go.
On the next road to the rally.
But we have a full off-grid air conditioning system. You'll probably see that in some of the videos down there.